Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and if you enjoy all things Disney, mom stuff, and travel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. So today I have a fun and exciting video for you, and for the first time ever on our channel, I will be doing pin unboxing. How stinking cute are these little princess babies? So the backstory, I'm in New York City. Weeks ago now, our malls opened. Not all the stores, not all the dining. So me and my kids, we went to just browse around, and the Disney store happened to be open. I cannot express the joy I felt walking to the Disney store. I literally felt like I was in Disney. So my boys picked up some toys, and I decided to pick up some pins. And another reason I decided to pick up some pins is that when we go to Disney, Eden always wants to trade pins, and he has pins that are very meaningful and that he got on special occasions, and I as a mom do not allow him to trade those pins, because whether it was his birthday, whether it was a Halloween party, Christmas party, like those pins mean a lot. So I figured, let's try these. I think there's 6 of them in this series. I think this is the first series, and I got 7. So let's see. If I get any duplicates, we'll definitely leave it and Aiden can trade it. And if I have any extra duplicates and you guys want to trade, just comment down below and we can figure it out and trade, and maybe I can have the entire collection, or you. Anyways, without further ado, let me open the first box. I'm so excited. So excited. All right. Just by the feel of it, I wonder if I can't figure it out. I'm not a professional at pin opening. Okay, so who do we have here? Oh my goodness. Of course, my girl Ariel. How adorable is she? Oh my gosh, I can't. Ariel is actually one of my favorite Disney princesses, and it was my favorite movie growing up, and I love everything Little Mermaid. So yay for my first pin, and little baby Ariel, so cute. Okay, box number 2. This is like nerve-wracking. I don't know how you guys do this all the time. Oh my gosh, I don't know. It feels similar, but it feels different. Okay, let's open up the baggie. Oops. Oh, this is Belle. How cute is she? Oh my goodness. These pins are really good. I've seen some videos, but like when you see it in your hand, like it has weight to it, and they're like thick. They're like really, I don't know if it'll focus. They're like really good. So I guess Belle was one of the mystery pins that they didn't display here. Okay, box number 3. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me see. Oh my god. This could be another Ariel, because it feels long. Let's see. These bags are a little hard. Yes. This is another Little Mermaid pin. Okay, box number 4. All right, guys. I have 7 boxes, and it says that you have to have 6, right, to collect them all. This feels the same. Oh no. Oh no. This feels, oh, it's not, it's Tiana. Oh my gosh, how cute is she? Oh my goodness, adorable. Ah! Okay, oh my gosh, this is looking good. They're really good size. Okay, so we have 4 opened and I have 3 boxes to go. All right, box number 5. This is fun. Nerve-wracking, but fun. Okay, wait, I was gonna open it with that feeling. This might be, oh, I don't know. This feels a little different. I don't know, let's see. Oh, Cinderella. Adorable. If this camera will focus. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, so I have now opened 5 and I have 2 boxes to go. All right, box number 6. All right, this could be Belle. Could be Belle. I don't know. Okay, let's open it up. Yep, I was correct. This is the super adorable Belle. Alright, so I have 2 Belle, 2 Ariels, Tiana, and Cinderella. So we're definitely not collecting the entire series. So let's see. Last box. This is box number 7. Okay. This, it feels a little bit different. I don't know. It feels different. Maybe it's Tiana. I'm hoping for Pocahontas because I don't think it's Moana. It's not that big. Anyways, oh, let's open it up. Pocahontas! Here we go. Sorry guys, that was like super crazy. I got no voice. She's a doll. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at these little baby princesses. Okay, so I have Belle. I got 2 of that. I got 2 Ariels, 1 adorable Tiana. Here we go. She's cute. And Cinderella. And Pocahontas. Oh, she's cute too. Super cute. Okay, so I am missing, who am I missing? I'm missing Moana. I'm missing Moana. Okay, so comment down below if you want to trade. I have 2 Ariels and 2 Belles. Let me know if you have Moana and you want to trade. Leave me a comment down below and we'll figure it out. This was so much fun. My first official pin unboxing. This is, I'm just looking at them over here. They're just like super, super cute. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you real soon. Bye.